Good morning, children. Comparison of decimal numbers. To compare two decimal numbers, you have to follow step by step. The first step, compare the whole part of the two numbers. If the whole part of the two numbers are equal, then you have to compare the 10th place of the two numbers. The third step, if the whole part and the 10th place also equal, then you have to compare the 100th place of the given two numbers. If the 100th place also equal means then you have to compare the 1000th place of the given two decimal numbers. Let's see some example to compare the decimal numbers. Compare 8.36 and 6.29. The first step is you have to compare the whole part of the decimal numbers. The whole part of the decimal number is 8 and 6. We know that 8 is greater than 6. Therefore, 8.36 is greater than 6.29. Let's see second example. Compare 99.56 and 99.65. The first, as usual, first you have to compare the whole part. Here the whole part is, in both the numbers we are having 99, they are equal. So we are going to compare the 10th place. That is, in the first number the 10th place is 5 and the second number the 10th place is 6. When we compare these two numbers, we can say 5 is less than 6. Therefore 99.56 is less than 99.65. The third example, compare 45.5 and 45.5. To compare these two numbers, as usual, first you have to compare the whole number. The whole numbers are equal and the 10th place also equal. Then you have to compare the 100th place. In 100th place, we are having 5 in the first number and we are not having any numbers in the second number. So we are writing 0. When we add 0 at the right end of the decimal digits, the value of the decimal numbers cannot be changed. Therefore, we can add any number of zeros in the right end of the decimal digits. If we compare 5 and 0, we know that 5 is greater than 0. Therefore, 45.55 is greater than 45.5. Now see exercise 1.3 using the comparison of decimals. First sum, compare the following decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. You have to compare the two given numbers and you have to write which is the smaller number. The first sum is 2.08 and 2.086. If we compare the whole part of the number, the whole part are equal. Therefore, we are going to compare the 10th place. The 10th place are also equal. The next is the 100th place. 100th place also, here also 8, here also 8. Therefore, the 100th place also equal. Then we are moving to the 1000th place. We are not having any 1000th place in this number. So, we are writing 0. Here the 1000th place is 0 and this number 1000th place is 6. When we compare 0 and 6, we can say that 0 is less than 6. Therefore, 2.08 is less than 2.086. Therefore, the smallest number is 2.08. The second sum 0.99 and 1.9. Here if we compare the whole number itself we can compare it as 0 is less than 1. Therefore 0.99 is less than 1.9. Therefore the smallest number is 0.99. And the third sum 3.53 and 3.35. First you have to compare the whole part. The whole part are equal. Therefore we are moving to 10th place. Here the 10th place is 5. And the second number, the 10th place is 3. That is 5 is greater than 3. Therefore, 3.53 is greater than 3.35. Therefore, the smallest number is 3.35. Second sum, arrange the following in ascending order. Here the 5 decimal numbers are given. You have to arrange these decimal numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers from small to big. To find out the smallest number from these numbers, first you have to compare the whole numbers. The whole numbers are 2, 2, 5, 3, 3. If we see all the whole numbers, we can see that these 2 is the smallest number. But in the whole part, we are having 2 decimal numbers with the whole part as 2. That is 2.35 and 2.53. So you have to compare the 10th place. Here the 10th place is 3 and here the 10th place is 5. Then 3 is smaller than 5. Therefore, 2.35 is the first smallest number and 2.53 is the second smallest number. Next, you have to compare the remaining 3 numbers. That is, the whole part is 5, 3, 3. Here we can say 3 is the smallest number, but the whole part 3 is in 3.52 and 3.25. Therefore, we are comparing the 10th place. Here the 10th place is 5 and here the 10th place is 2. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, 2 is the smallest number. That is 3.25 is the third smallest decimal number and 3.52 is the fourth decimal smallest number. The remaining we are having only one number, that is the greatest number of all the 5. Therefore, the ascending order is 2.35, 2.53, 3.25, 3.52 and 5.32. Third sum, compare the following decimal numbers and find the greater number. It is same as the first sum. There we have compared the decimal numbers and we write the answer as the smaller number. Here we are going to write the answer as the greater number. First one, 24.5 and 20.32. When we are comparing the whole part of the numbers, we say that 24 is greater than 20. Therefore, 24.5 is greater than 20.32. Therefore, the greater number is 24.5. The second sum, 6.95 and 6.59. Here the whole part is equal. So, we are comparing the 10th place, that is 9 and 5. We can say 9 is greater than 5. Therefore, 6.95 is greater than 6.59. Therefore, the greater number is 6.95. Let's see one more sum, that is 0.007 and 0.07. First, we can see that the whole part of the numbers are equal and the 10th place also equal. So, we are comparing the 100th place. In 100th place, the first number we are having 0 and in the second number we are having 7. That is 0 and 7. That is 7 is greater than 0. That is 0.07 is greater than 0.007. Therefore, the greater number is 0.07. Fourth sum, arrange the decimal numbers in descending order. Descending order means you have to arrange the given numbers from big to small. So, we have to find out which is the bigger number. For that, we are comparing the whole part of the number. The first number, the whole part is 17. Then the second number, it is 71, 51, 73 and 37. From these 5, we can say 73 is the greatest number. So, 73.51 is the first greatest number. And the second one is 71. That is 71.53 is the second greatest number. And when we compare the next 3, we can see 51.73 is the third greatest decimal number. And 37.41 is the fourth decimal. And 17.35 is the smallest decimal number among these given 5 numbers. Therefore, the descending order is 73.51. 71.53, 51.73, 37.51 and 17.35. Thank you.